there? Where's your bear friend? Where's your buddy the bear?
Boo! Oh my God!
Where's your friend the bear?
Where's the bear? You're ready to give us a smile? Huh? You could probably do that. That was almost ear piercing. Eee! Woo!
Here's the bear. What are you going to do with your bear buddy? Where are you going?
Hey, you aren't supposed to have 3.